What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today, guys, we are changing out the spark plugs and the oil pressure sensor. Well, this shouldn't be too hard. There's 6 plugs, and I think they just pop right up just like that, and that pops right up just like that. And then the spark plug is in there, so let me get my deep socket and get started. And I pulled this one and it was dripping in oil, so I'm pretty sure that's a problem. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a problem. I'm curious to what the plug looks like. Well, to be honest, I've been sitting here debating about what I want to do. I think I'm just about to go ahead and remove the intake and take it all off and just change the valve cover, man. I don't see why I just keep going and changing spark plugs when I see that that is the problem. And I'm pretty sure if I put the spark plug back in there, it's just going to leak again. So why not just change the valve cover gasket? So I know I sound sad about it because I am. I really don't want to do it. But I guess I might as well just knock it out, man. It shouldn't be too hard. Now that I got all of that removed, I believe that that is the sensor right here to the oil pressure. So let me get that out of there and change out the oil pressure. And then I'll come back up top and start taking off the intake bolts to change the valve cover gasket. Come on out of there. God, that thing is deep. Old one, new. Take off these bolts, and then that pops off, and then the one bolt right here, and that comes right off.
Let go. Die in these Jubilees. Yes, Lord.
All right, so intake manifold is off. Now we gotta get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts off, and then we can get this. Then we can get this valve cover gasket off. I want to say from there it kind of just pops on up right there. Yep, kind of just pops right off. And that is how you take off the valve cover. Man, let's get out of the sun to change this gasket. So pretty much, I just got a little confused. I managed to take these bolts out, which I don't know if it was a good idea or a bad idea. But anyways, you have to take the bolt and stick it back in the hole. And then press the gasket over the top of the bolt, and then that's how you get it to stay in. So I managed to go ahead and paint the valve cover a little bit so that way it looks better. And now let's now let's put it in the car. I also put some sealant gasket on there, some gasket maker. That way that has a gasket on it because it looked like it did. And I'm gonna put one back on there, but I'm just gonna make my own. And let's get that back on there now. does seem a little rough now. Let's give it a minute to just sit down because it is the first start. So let's just give it a minute. So I think I might have the spark plugs in the wrong order. So pulled up a diagram, and I think I did because this wire right here they say is number 2, and it still has a sticker on it. So let me rewire this the way it's supposed to go, and then I will check back with you guys. Alright, now that I fixed those spark plugs, that is a lot better. No more shakiness, no more jitteriness. Now it's nice and calm how it's supposed to be. Now it's how it's supposed to be. So yeah. And fixing that bad spark plug actually got rid of that check engine light for me. Yay to that. Still can't figure out this dumb oil light though. I can't figure that one out. I changed the oil sensor. I don't know. Maybe because I took off the SAI is just gonna flash now, but I'm not sure. But I'm so happy now. Well guys, now that is all finished up. I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Guys, remember to drop a comment down below and a like if you guys liked the video. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.